powerful magnitude 7.7 earthquake depth 20 kilometers strikes Flores region, Indonesia on the 14th of August, 2026. Earthquake subject to change. Shortly after the mainshock, 5.6, 5.9 and 6.1 aftershocks were recorded, adding to the seismic impact and prompting continued monitoring by regional authorities. The Flores region lies within one of the most complex and active tectonic environments on Earth. Indonesia sits atop the convergence zone where the Indo Australian Plate, Eurasian Plate, and several microplates interact. Earthquake Info Credit, EMSC. Thank you for watching.